Hello guys, I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers. Yes, listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First question: what is the rank of India in the COVID-19 performance index released by the Sydney-based Lowy Institute? This question's answer is 86. Option C is the correct option. Second question: what is India's rank in Corruption Perception Index (CPI) 2020? Option D is the correct answer. 86th. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. The government of India has approved the closure of which state-owned company recently? Option C, Scooters India Limited, is the correct answer. Next question. Chauri Chaura is a town located in which Indian state? Obliquity. The option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the correct answer. Next question. Which disease is also called as the Hansen's disease? Option C, leprosy, is the Hansen's disease. According to the WHO, which country has the highest number of new leprosy cases in the world annually? Option C, India. India is the correct answer. Next question. In which of India's neighboring countries military has taken control? Option C, Myanmar. Myanmar is the correct option. What is the new FDR limit in insurance companies as proposed in Union Budget 2021 to 22? Option C, 74. 74 is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Next question. Which union ministry has launched a unified portal for Govardhan scheme? Option C, Ministry of Jal Shakti, is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Which Indian body won against recording its sessions using mobile phones? So, the option C is the correct option. And Rajya Sabha, this is the sessions using mobile phones. Won sessions using mobile phones. So, option C is the correct answer. Dear students, here I have completed my lecture. Namaskar. सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर सक्सेस एडुटेक जो कि ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको होम ट्यूटरिंग के सिवाय ऑनलाइन टीचिंग की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध हो सकती है। आप कहाँ भी रहे लेकिन आपका एजुकेशन अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो सकता है। तो जल्द ही ज्वाइन करें सक्सेस एडुटेक सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर ऑनलाइन टीचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को और अपना एजुकेशन बेटर करें और एक अपना जो भविष्य है उसको सुधारे। तो मैं प्रशांत जाधव आपको इस ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्वाइन होने के लिए आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ। नमस्कार।